Hello friends, you're watching Gate Helpline, and in this video we'll see question number 7 from Gate 2021 CSIT set number 2 question paper. So friends, question number 7 is, a jigsaw puzzle has two pieces. One of the piece is shown above. Which one of the given options for the missing piece when assembled will form a rectangle? The piece can be moved, rotated or flipped to assemble with the above piece, and the options are A, B, C and D. So friends, if you also want to download the same question paper along with the keys, the official Gate keys, please check the description below this video, or you can check the above link as well. That link is having a video which will tell you how to download this question paper along with the keys. So friends, let's start the explanation. So friends, as stated in the question, a jigsaw puzzle has two pieces. So one of the pieces given above, that is this one, okay, and we need to tell which one is the second piece which will exactly fit into these gaps and will form a correct rectangle. Okay, so we just need to find the another piece which will fit into the given piece. So friends, just notice the given piece is having this neck, okay, this kind of neck which is downwards. So friends, now we'll go to our dashboard section to see the explanation for this question. If you see, the given figure which is given to us is having a downward neck, which is same as in our question. Okay, so if you see, this is a top to bottom figure and the figures given in the options are from left to right. Okay, so none of the figure is having a downward neck, this kind of neck. Okay, that is not present in any of the options. So this is obvious that we need to rotate this and flip it as well. Okay, so first we'll try to rotate it. Okay, so I will rotate in this way because this will be the upper side of rectangle, as the bottom side is already given in the options. Okay, so now if you see, the neck is on the right side, it is facing the right side, but in none of the options you will see the neck facing the right side. See, option A on the left side, option C also neck is on the left side, option D also neck is on the left side, option B doesn't even have the neck. Okay, so this is obvious that option B doesn't belongs to the correct answer category. This is a incorrect answer. Okay, so to make it fit in A, C or D, what we need to do is we need to flip this figure. Okay, so I will flip it this way. So now at least this neck can be fit into A, C or D. Okay, now we'll try to see which is the correct answer. So we'll try from D. Okay, so if you see, if I just try and try to impose this figure on top of D, then see, from the right hand side, this one is having a top, okay, and the answer is having a top as well. But to make it fit inside D, we need a top and bottom, okay, that should be created there so that this top can be fit into D. Okay, that is not true here because this kind of up should have a down in the option on the right side. That is not true. Actually, the down is created on the left side of the option D. Okay, so that is obviously incorrect because they had just changed these positions. So this down should be this side and this up should be this side. So option D is incorrect. Now we will see option C. So if you see option C, it is having a down here. This one is also having a down here, and in question we have two ups here. But if you precisely see, these two ups from the right hand side are of not equal size. They are of different size. The first one is smaller and the next one is a bit lengthier. But that is not the scene in option C. Option C is having both of equal size. So option C is also incorrect. If you go to option A, which is the only left, first one is a down, second bar is also a down, third bar is also a down. So these three highs can easily be fit here. And for the fourth one, this one is having a high and the question is having a bottom here. Okay, so even the neck can be fit here easily, and even these two bars of variable length, the first one shorter and the second one lengthier, can be easily fit. So friends, now I will just explain this solution in Hindi as well. Okay, हमारे पास ये जो फिगर है ये हमें फिट करनी है, सो दैट एक रेक्टेंगल के अंदर एक रेक्टेंगल शेप हमें मिल सके। ठीक है, अब हमारे पास ये जो दो ऊंचे बार्स हैं ये हमारे दोनों फिट होने चाहिए, बट हम अगर ऑप्शन डी में देखें तो वो दो ऊंचे वाले बार हैं ही नहीं। हमारा जो स्टार्टिंग है राइट साइड से वही एक ऊंचे बार से है, तो यहाँ पर ये फिट नहीं हो पाएगा। ऑप्शन बी में तो इस तरीके की नेक ही नहीं है जो कि हम ऑप्शन बी में फिट करें। ऑप्शन सी में फिट हो जाएगा टोटली, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज ये जो सेकंड वाला बार है और ये जो फर्स्ट वाला बार है राइट साइड से, ये जो सेकंड बार है ये थोड़ा ऊंचा होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि हमें जो बार दिया गया है उसमें ये दोनों की लेंथ अलग अलग है। ठीक है, और ऑप्शन ए में वो चीज सोच समझकर डाली गई है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर पहले जो बार है वो छोटा है, दूसरा लंबा है। सो फ्रेंड्स, एज पर आवर एक्सप्लेनेशन, आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए। सो अब हम क्विकली एक काम करते हैं, विल जस्ट गो टू द आंसर कीज एंड चेक इफ द आंसर गिवन बाय गेट ऑफिशियल कीज इज व्हाट। सो for question number 7, answer given by GATE 2021 is option A. So friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.